Have you left all your Christmas shopping to the last minute this year? Well, so have I. But I've got a DIY solution for you, and I'm going to show you how you can make coal for everybody who's been really naughty this year. So the first step is that you need to buy a tin of cookies. Now, I've already eaten all of the cookies out of this tin, and it is a little bit singed because I did try this earlier. But yes, eat the cookies, empty the tin. And then the next step is that you need to get some very dry wood and chop it into small pieces that will fit inside the tin. Here's some I prepared earlier. So grab your little tin, fill it up with some dry timber, and then put the lid on. So you're going to want to make sure that you close the lid nice and tight. Then you're going to want to grab a knife and pierce a little hole in the top of the tin. You want to make sure that your little hole is not covered by any wood underneath so that the smoke can escape. Start a fire. Next, you want to put the tin in the fire. And now we wait. So the reason that you have to cook the coal in the tin is that you need to starve it of oxygen so that all that's left at the end is coal without any impurities. See the smoke coming out of the hole here? That's when you know it's doing its Christmas magic.
A few moments later.
So you're going to have to leave that tin on the fire for quite a while before the things inside get fully cooked. But let's see what's inside my tin. Ta-da! Cooked coal! You see? And it's ready to give to all your naughty friends this Christmas. There's also quite a few other uses that you have for coal, like you can put it on the barbecue to make it stay nice and hot for nice and long. You can use it to mix with water and brush your teeth if you have absolutely no other toothpaste. Or you can use it as a fire starter in survival situations. So I hope you've enjoyed this little DIY naughty coal making tutorial, and I'll see you next time for more outdoors adventures. Merry Christmas!